Good morning. My name's Dennis with Impatient Creations, and I've got an opportunity to show you a really interesting build. We are blessed with a lot of different kind of builds. It's not all hot rods and muscle cars, but this one is a Jeep, and it's a relatively new one. It's an '07 Jeep, and it's very personal to the family, and so they wanted to have us disassemble the car, completely go through all the driveline, the differentials, everything, and completely make it new. But they wanted to change the color on it. So you're looking at one of the first stages of this particular build. We've disassembled the car, we've stripped it all down, and now this is the color that we have negotiated with them and gone through several different color examinations, if you will, and light and dark and sunlight and all of that. This is a satin color. It's what a lot of people call flat, but we've got just a little bit of sheen to it so that it would be at least reasonable to keep it clean. We've also incorporated the colors that the half tops and the soft tops are going to be, and it's that tan that's in there. So we've incorporated that within the logos and the stickers, and there are no stickers on it. Everything is buried in the paint. So now we are at this particular stage right now, but in the next episode you're going to see this car really take shape, and it'll look more like a car, and it'll have a lot more color on it. I just can't wait for you to see it. So please like, subscribe, and comment on what we've got going here. Thank you.